Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn how can we link our PAN card with our Aadhar card. First of all, we have to open our browser and search e-filling India and click enter. As you can see, we have to click on the first link. Then click on link Aadhar. As you can see here, first we have to enter our PAN card number. Then we have to enter our Aadhar card number, and then where it is written name as per Aadhar card, we have to enter our name properly as in our Aadhar card. Then we have to enter our mobile number. If we have only year of birth in our Aadhar card, then we have to select the I have only year of birth in Aadhar card. Otherwise, we don't have to do anything, and I agree to validate my Aadhar details. Then we have to click on link Aadhar. As you can see, it is showing that your PAN is already linked to given Aadhar, because I have already linked my Aadhar to my PAN card. But if you have not done it, please follow the process and click on link Aadhar. After clicking on link Aadhar, it will process your request. Your request will be processed within 24 hours. After 24 hours, for checking our Aadhar card linking status, we have to click on link Aadhar status, as I have done here. Here we have to enter a PAN number first. Then we have to enter our Aadhar number. After that, we have to click on view link Aadhar status. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.